Question number 6. A cone has a circular base of radius 6 millimeter. Given that the curved surface area of the cone is this one, find its slant height. Okay, तो ये भी इजी है, इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. यहाँ पे आपको total surface area, no, only the curved surface area is given to you. It means that this value is given to you. Okay, this value is given to you, that is 84 pi. Okay, 84 pi, that value is given to you. Okay, now and pi r square, so ये भी आप okay, this question is a little bit different क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमसे total surface area की वो नहीं कर रहा. They are not asking about the total surface area. Okay, they are asking about the slant height. Okay, so what you will do, you will only utilize the slant curved surface area formula. Okay, so curved surface area formula is equal to pi rl. Okay, so that is given to you 84 pi. R value is 6 millimeter. So from this we will get the slant height. Okay, yeah, per pi will cancel by this pi. So 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 1 is 6, 7, 8, 6 times 4 is 20. For unit यहाँ पे आएगा millimeter. Okay, so this will be your slant height. Got it?